Kansas students could soon transfer to any public school in the state, even if they aren't a resident of that district. It's part of a mega bill that Governor Kelly is expected to sign. Some Southeast Kansas schools already allow this, including the Columbus School District. KOIM's Bronte Sorotsky has more on the impact on students.
Not every school will be the perfect fit for a child, and a Kansas bill expected to be signed into law could help those kids out.
Some districts are better fits than other districts for students.
The bill would allow Kansas students to transfer to any school district in the state, even if they don't live in that area. It's something the Columbus School District has been doing for a while.
Gosh, this has been going on, I couldn't, pretty well my whole entire career you've been allowed to go to other districts.
Brian Smith, Columbus superintendent, says it can benefit students in a number of ways, from academics to sports, although it does get a bit tricky.
They have to sit out a period of time if they change schools unless they make a bona fide move. In other words, they move into that district. So if they were the neighboring district and they wanted to come play basketball because you had a better basketball team, they'd have to sit out a period of time. So most don't want to do that.
Smith says another issue that comes up is school bonds and taxpayers being affected by students who don't live in the area.
On bond issues, if you're building new buildings, the taxpayers in that district are paying for that. Like here in the Columbus district, we don't receive any state aid. So if you did accept an out-of-district student, they wouldn't necessarily be carrying their fair share. But we have no control over that now. Before we could say, no, we won't accept them. But now, with this law, that's changed.
The final version of the bill would require each school district's Board of Education to determine the capacity for the district to accept out-of-district students by 2024. In Columbus, Bronte Sorotsky, KOAM News.
Now, under the bill, school districts are not required to provide transportation to non-resident students.